What is going on, guys? We are back today with another video, and today we're talking about what type of rope you need to use as a beginner. And don't click off this video right away because it definitely does matter. Now, I've been jumping rope for about 2 years now, and I have quit in the past because I picked up a rope that I shouldn't have been using, and I didn't realize that if I was using the proper rope, then it would have made it a lot easier from the beginning. So with that being said, let's go over what type of ropes you should be using and what type of ropes you should absolutely avoid at all costs. Now, in my opinion, the best rope for beginners to start on is a Muay Thai or a heavy style jump rope. Now, these ropes are extremely easy to learn on. It's going to teach you how to control the rope with your wrist, and it's going to teach you the proper footwork and how to establish a rhythm. And you want to make sure you get the one where the weight is in the actual rope itself and not in the handles. Now, you're looking to spend anywhere between $20 to $30 for one of these. It is a little bit more expensive, but it is definitely worth the investment. Now, if you don't have access to one of these, then the next best thing is a PVC rope. I still highly recommend the Muay Thai or the heavy jump rope, but this is definitely the next best thing. And you're looking to spend somewhere between $5 to $25 on this rope. Now, with that being said, let's go over the type of ropes that you should absolutely not be using. So the first type of rope that you should not be using is the thin, wiry speed ropes. These ropes, in my opinion, are absolutely useless unless you're doing double or triple unders. Other than that, you don't get a good workout and they're not really good for anything. The next are leather ropes. Now, although you can use these ropes pretty much anywhere and they're not going to break, these ropes are extremely hard to learn on. You can't really do any tricks with them, and in my opinion, also useless. And the last type of rope which you absolutely need to avoid, which I mentioned earlier, is the heavy ropes where the weight is in the handles. Aside from just making your wrist tired, they don't make it easier for you to jump, they don't give you a better workout, so avoid buying this type of rope. And lastly, guys, even with a good rope, it is still going to take some time in order to learn how to jump properly. Be patient with it for at least a few weeks and eventually you'll get the hang of it. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.